Have you ever said "bless you" too early? The other day I was standing next to someone and they did that pre-sneeze inhale. You know the one, the dramatic like they're charging up a special attack. And I panicked, I got nervous, I thought, oh no, what's happening? Stay calm. So I jumped in way too early and said, "Bless you." But they didn't sneeze, they just looked at me like, "Why are you blessing me for my breathing?" And at that point I had two options. Pretend I bless people randomly, or run. So I doubled down, I said "bless you" again just in case. Now they probably think I'm a priest or a malfunctioning Alexa. If you've ever done this too, please tell me I'm not the only socially unstable one out here.